Good morning, children. Yes, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Yes, let us start unit number 10. A school trip to Hampi. A school trip to Hampi. You all know that, children, Hampi is very famous. Yes or no? Yes, it is very famous place. It is an historical place. Where it is? It is in Hampi. It is in Hospet. Hospet, Hampi, where it is, children? In Hospet. It is historical place. Yes, let us try. Now I am going to tell you a few important words about Hampi. Akka Bukka were the founder of Vijayanagara Emperor. See here, children. Who is the founder of Hampi? Akka Bukka. You can see here, it is Hampi. You need many days to see Hampi. Within 1 month, you cannot see the Hampi. Understood, children? You have lot of things to see Hampi. Akka Bukka were the founder of Vijayanagara Emperor. Krishnadevaraya was the famous king of Vijayanagara Emperor. Who's the king in that Hampi? Who was the king in previous years, in older days? Krishnadevaraya. He was very famous king. He was a king of Hampi, Vijayanagara dynasty. It situated on bank of river Tungabhadra. The capital city of Vijayanagara dynasty was Hampi. In the Hampi, we see many monuments, temples, mantapa, chariot, stone chariot, lotus mahal, lots of things you can see there. Ugra Narasimha. Yes or no, children? Hope you all saw that Hampi. Now, here is one school. They are getting a trip for Hampi. Let us read the lesson here. Suraj, Mohan, have you taken permission from your parents to go to the school trip? Suraj is asking Mohan that you ask the parents for the permission. Mohan, my parents were happy about the place, so they were more than happy to send me. What about you? How about you? How about you means my parents. Mohan is answering Suraj that his parents are willing to send Hampi to see the Hampi. But what about you is asking to Anand. Anand, same here. My sister told me that even in the destroying condition, Hampi speaks highly king of Krishnadevaraya. See, even though the Hampi is destroyed now, but too, it is very famous. Yes or no? It is very famous and it speaks very highly. George, the Vijayanagara Emperor was found by Akka and Bukka. I read it on the internet. See, George, what he has done, he's telling that before going to Hampi, he went to internet and he has got the information. Who was the founder of Vijayanagara dynasty? Akka and Bukka. It is situated on the banks of the river Tungabhadra. We have a river here that is called Tungabhadra. George is telling he bought some information about Hampi and is talking with his friend. They are chatting with their friends because they are planned to come for Hampi trip. Suraj, we were still thinking of getting permission and you have already collected some information. What's more have you read? Suraj is telling that to George, before we go to Hampi, before we get the information, what you have done? You have bought lot of information from the internet. Before we go to see, let us see after they go to Hampi first where they are going to visit. George, one more thing that I understood, there is a stone chariot, there is also a Vittala temple that has special types of pillars. When strikes, they give us 7 musical notes. Now you can see here the Vittala temple, and you see a pillars here. You can see these pillars. If you take your hand and just strike it on that, the sound of that pillar comes sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa, like that it comes. In olden days, the stones were very good. After coming day by day, it has destroyed. But nowadays, if we go to the Vittala temple, they won't allow us to touch the stones there. Yes or no, children? They already destroyed there. They gave out 7 musical notes. It comes 7 musical notes. It sounds, one pillar sounds one sound. One more pillar, if you strike it, it sounds different sound. You have 7 sounds. You will learn more when you come to the class. You will learn more that when you come to the class. Mohan, all right. Mr. Noval, we will meet next Friday. Then bye everybody. Everybody was talking about the Hampi. They all left and went. Suraj and Mohan have gone far from away their group. Suraj and Mohan, they went far from their group. They have all come to Hampi with their teacher. They came to Hampi with the teacher now. Suraj, Mohan, look at the old building near the river. Mohan, shall we go and see what it is? Suraj was telling that to Mohan. See the old building there. We can go and see there what is there. Mohan, what he told? Yes, let us go and see. Suraj, sure, it's look like a mantapa. What it's look? It looks like a mantapa. Yes. Both of them enter the mantapa. You can see here, this is mantapa. Suraj, look. Yes, children, look here. You can see the picture here. This is mantapa. This is mantapa. You can see in Hampi. Yes. Suraj, look. Look, here is a statue of the man with tambura in his hand. You can see the picture here. Who is this? Who is this, children? Purandara Dasa. Purandara Dasa, you know, children. Who is Purandara Dasa? You don't know, children? I am going to tell you. He is Purandara Dasa. Now, Mohan, a pair of symbol 2. He is Purandara Dasa. Suraj, he is a devoted of Lord Vishnu. He loves God songs. He would write God songs and he would sing. He would play tambura instrument, and his devotional songs he would write. He would sing. He composed devotional songs and sang in praises of him. He liked Lord Vishnu very much. He is followership of Lord Vishnu. Mohan, what simplicity is looks. Can you believe it? So simple he is. Purandara Dasa is very having simplicity. Simplicity means very simple in way of living. He don't have all pant, shirt and all he don't wear. He wear one dhoti and pajama. Yes or no, children? Yes or no? Yes. Yes, children. Look here. He was a rich man before he became the devoted of the Lord. See here, he was very rich man when he became devoted of Lord. Suraj, can you please tell me his story? Suraj is asking about Purandara Dasa. You can tell his story to me. Mohan, I don't know the details. We will go to our teacher. She will tell us the story. Children were talking that they don't know about the Purandaradasa. Let us go and ask the teacher. Suraj, yes, it will be fun. She is sitting there with the others. Shall we go? Mohan, let's go. He told, and he was very famous. Devoted means a person who worship God. Purandaradasa was very devoted to Lord Vishnu. He was very fellowship to God. He was following God too much. And composer means, he was writing songs and he was singing songs. He was preparing the musician. Musician is a tambura he got in his hand. You can see here. It is tambura. He played the music. Understood, children? Yes, hope you all understood this story. Thank you, children.